Two YouTubers, MaCenna and Katia Nikolajew, have built a community around the topics of do-it-yourself home decor and thrifting through their channels. They both produce content that focuses on bohemian-inspired home decor DIYs, thrift store flips, and other related topics. Let's evaluate both of their YouTube channels side by side to see which one is more successful. The majority of the videos on MaCenna's YouTube channel are dedicated to her redesigning and renovating various rooms in her home. She has a wonderful appreciation for beauty and tends to keep to earthy, bohemian, and minimalist themes in her work. Her enthusiasm for interior design is contagious, and she is happy to offer advice to others in this field. In order to create material that is both interesting and engaging for her audience, MaCenna takes them on a journey through the process of restoring nooks and corners of rooms. She holds a bachelor's degree in business administration and graduated with a degree in fashion design and merchandising from the Fashion Institute of Design and Merchandising in 2013. Any person who has an interest in Pinterest will find that her channel is a paradise on earth. The warm and creative attitude that MaCenna exudes seeps through in her videos, making them ideal for viewing throughout the autumn months while bundled up under a cozy blanket and enjoying a mug of hot chocolate. On top of that, her website features a storefront powered by Amazon, which makes it simple for customers to buy the home design products that she recommends. Katia Nikolajew occupies a market segment that is analogous to that of MaCenna, but she only recently launched her YouTube account. Her move is focus on thrift store hauls and do-it-yourself projects for bohemian house design. Nevertheless, Katia also takes pleasure in filming fashion videos, and the thumbnails she creates for them are very pleasing to the eye. In her spare time, she also films gorgeous how-to videos on the application of makeup. Katia's programming has become increasingly popular despite the fact that her channel is still in its infancy, and she has high expectations that her community will expand in the years to come. According to the data on MaCenna's MaCenna channel on YouTube, the channel was established in November 2009 and currently has more than 834,000 subscribers. Katia Nikolajew's channel, on the other hand, has more than 84,000 subscribers as of October, despite the fact that she only joined YouTube in April of this year. When compared to Katia, it is evident that MaCenna has a substantially larger subscriber base given that she has more than 10 times the number of members. The significant presence that MaCenna maintains on social media platforms such as Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube contributes to the approximately $4 million that is considered to represent her net worth. On the other hand, it is difficult to estimate how much money Katia has, given that the majority of her earnings come from her YouTube channel and her profession as an influencer. Her revenues from partnerships, events, and posts are not reported to the public. However, she is estimated to generate approximately $200,000 per year through YouTube. On the other hand, it is quite possible that MaCenna has a greater net worth than Katia does. It's possible that judging their ability based simply on measurements isn't the most objective approach, given that there are a lot of other things that might influence success. MaCenna Lee and Katia Nikolajew have each accomplished a great deal, although in their own unique ways. It is essential to keep in mind that they fell in love with the process, as opposed to putting all of their attention on the results. Everyone who pursues their aspirations should take something away from this important lesson. In conclusion, it should be noted that both MaCenna and Katia have their own set of advantages and achievements. Consider giving the video a thumbs up, sharing it with your friends, and subscribing to their channels if you find the information they share to be interesting and entertaining. Have a safe trip, and I'll catch you on the next one.